hello, happy Monday. Really quickly, because I'm obviously driving, I am heading into the city to shoot some content. So if you saw my last vlog, I was supposed to shoot content on Saturday, but your girl's day one almost took her out, and because of that, I'm gonna actually go to the location and shoot the content right now. I'm on my way about I didn't actually do that. What the heck? I'm about like 20 minutes away, so probably less than that. So anyway, yeah, I just want to kick off this vlog here. Happy Monday, you guys, and I'm feeling 1,000 times better. If you know, you know. Day one is from the devil. Like, it is so intense, and especially like my day one. But here we are, chugging along on day 3. But I just want to start the vlog here. So hello. And once I get there, I might do a little bit of vlogging, because I'm taking all the shots on my phone, and then I'll come back. I need to stop and get some food, and I will knock out. You're not about to be in a Tesla and going that slow. What the heck? So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna just get these pieces of content and then come back and edit, eat, all the things. Because like I told you guys in last week's vlog, this week is really busy. So anywho, I will see you guys when I get there, so I can drive safely and not have road rage for these people who are driving very slow. But I will see you all in a little bit. Where am I at? You guessed it. Chick-fil-A. Good morning, y'all. Happy Tuesday. Happy Valentine's Day to all of my little lovers out there. Happy Valentine's Day. If you're with your partner, your girls, happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys are doing something to celebrate. And if you're not with anybody, listen, happy Love on Yourself Day. Anywho, I am about, how far away am I? 20 minutes away from the vet to drop Onyx off. I think I told you guys last week. Made his vet appointment immediately. He is not feeling well, and it's so sad. I feel so bad. Like, I was talking to my friend Rachel last night, and I was telling her just like, you know, how he's been doing since last week. And it's crazy because like he's not, like, obviously he's like my dog, you know, my dog child. But wow, like I can't even imagine having a baby I birthed and like they're sick, they're not feeling like you can't do anything. They can't communicate in a way for you to understand like what's wrong. So you are just trying to like console them, and they don't, you know, all the things. And so similarly to that with having a pet, like Onyx can't tell me, you know, Mom, I don't feel well, and it's just like I'm just rubbing his little belly and making sure he's okay as best as he can be for however until I get him to the doctor. So it's just kind of insane. Like, these little humans and little animals really consume you, and they consume like your love and affection, and then you feel all the feels. But yeah, I just want to pop in and say good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Tuesday. And I'll probably check back in with you guys when I'm at my mom's house. Oh, he got the sniffles. So I'm gonna wipe his nose. Hi, Bubba. Can I wipe your nose? Okay. Oh yeah, thank you. Hey y'all, so we're at the end of the workday. It's almost 6 o'clock, and I'm about to pack up my stuff and head back home. I need to take Onyx to or not Onyx. I need to go to the CVS and fill his prescription. Hi, Bubba. Bless you. Oh. No, my baby's going through. You're not feeling well. You're not feeling well. So yeah, I have to fill one of his prescriptions, and then the vet gave me some medicine. So, oh, I don't even know what time CVS closes. Aisha, are you not feeling well? This is a little tight on you, bro. Long day, busy day. I know I have my appointment with my doctor tomorrow, with my chiropractor appointment. I'm really excited about that. So when I get home, I need to, should I do that now? I'm always torn with like, do I do something now or do something later? And the answer is you probably do something now. Like, why put off today why put off what you can do tomorrow today? That kind of thing. That's where I'm at in life. Okay. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so we're back home. Little update on Onyx. I think I told you guys earlier, the vet said that he's likely has kennel cough. So I'm equating it to something similar, like a sinus cold or like a bronchitis type of thing. But I just walked him, and I ran into one of my other neighbors who is awesome. And oh, mama's sterile. Oh, I gotta get my plans together. But she gave me some tips. So I just gave him some of his medicine. I'm gonna start his prescription stuff tomorrow. He is starting to get an appetite, like he's eating, which is nice. So I feel better. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, you guys. I just got to the location for the chiropractor appointment. I am so excited. I don't know why I'm so excited about this, but I feel like this is just such an adult decision. Like, let me go see a chiropractor. Let me, you know, get my life in order. So yeah, so I'm here. My appointment's not until 10. It's 9:41, but I'm gonna walk in. I filled out the paperwork and everything last night, what you guys saw me doing, and then went ahead and got everything squared away. So I really shouldn't have much wait time, but I'm really excited. So apparently it's like a full, before they like, so what I want them to like take my body and crack it. Like, I don't know if you guys have seen that meme, but it's like, I want somebody to take my entire spine and then wring it out like a wash rag. Like, that's what I want. But before they do that, they're gonna give me a full physical. I have not weighed well, actually I weighed myself this morning. So I'm like, I'm on that holiday weight. The holiday weight is still here with me. She can go. But yeah, so we have a physical to do and see how that goes. But I'm excited. So yeah, I just want to say hi. Start today's part of the vlog off. I think I could have eaten, but I wasn't sure, so I stopped. Like, I ate my last meal last night and then didn't eat anything this morning. So I don't know. I'm like low-key fasting at this point. And so yeah. Okay, let me go. I think I did tell you guys how I heard about them. It was through a TikTok ad. Look at TikTok. Look at social media doing what it's supposed to do. So yeah, I saw them on TikTok and like submitted my like consultation information. Also, can we just get into like the skin? Like, I'm not wearing any makeup. I almost put like concealer on and like brow stuff, but I saw how good my skin looked today and I was like, no, skin. So today's a no makeup day. Okay, let's go. Hey you guys, okay, so I just left the consultation and I'm about to go get some lunch because, you know, I haven't eaten and I'm hungry. But ooh, how do I get out of here? Okay. But yes, let's talk a little bit about what happened. First of all, I am so excited. Like, I don't know why I'm so pressed for this experience, but just knowing that, like, it almost makes me emotional, and I don't really know why I want to cry, because it's not like a big deal in that sense, but it is a big deal. It just feels so good. It feels so good. Oh, I can cry thinking about it. Like, to be in a position where I am prioritizing my health and my wellness and my mind, my body, all these things. Where am I? Okay. To be in a position where I'm prioritizing that and it just, do I go? Yeah, okay, I'm the right. Okay, I know where I'm at. I know where I'm at now. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to get distracted. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Anyway. Okay, so first I go in. Let me start over because my thoughts are all over the place. Why am I so emotional? I'm so excited and thankful and grateful because, y'all, it feels like I'm finally in a position, financially, mentally, emotionally, whatever, to afford to prioritize my health and my wellness, right? Like, and I'm only 30 years old, but I work so hard, and I live in a space and I work in a space that is very stressful. Because my life is oftentimes like high stress because of work, because of all my responsibilities, because of the thing, like all the things. Because my life is typically at a high stress point regularly, you have no idea how it impacts your body physically. Like, I know how it impacts my mind and my body emotionally, and mentally. Bro, where's the Chick-fil-A? Holy Spirit, where am I going? I'm gonna need a map. Where am I going, God? Where am I going? Is it this way? It's this way. Y'all, this is by my old neighborhood in Springfield, and I don't know. I don't be knowing. I don't know nothing no more. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm good now. I know where I'm going. I know what I'm doing now. I had to reorient myself. Okay. Anyway, I want to cry because it feels like because I'm taking my health so seriously. Like, obviously I've been working out, with the whole diabetes thing, like really working to make sure that's not like I'm trying to get out of that lifestyle. All we did today was like, they asked me a series of questions. So they went through like my intake form that I had to fill out before I got there. And then, okay, I'm gonna go. Ooh. I'm gonna go. Y'all gonna trust me now? Yeah, I know I'm right now. And then we walked through goals. So my top 3 goals are very much wrapped in each other, but it's to get more sleep and get quality sleep. It's to live a plant-based lifestyle, 80-20%, which we talked about before. Be diabetic free. So all the things. Yo, am I tripping? Okay, sorry, I had to just adjust real fast because I was so confused. Like, you know how you know where you're going, but you like are not near it. Anywho, so yeah, so basically walk through my goals, which I just told you guys about, and they just did like 2 body scans on me. So one was like a stress scanner. Can't wait to see those results. One was a stress scanner, and then the other was well, both. It was like feeling my fingers on how I manage my stress, and then the other one was through like my back. Like, they scanned my back a few times to see kind of like, oh, I know where I'm at now. I am so sorry. I now know where I'm at. Okay, I'm good now. Because I was like, bro, I know what the heck I'm doing. I know how to get there. Damn, was that my turn? No, it's not. Okay, it's coming up. Here we are. Okay, I can turn this off now. So, yeah. So they did the scans. And, like, when they did the scans, on my back, I could kind of see, like, they went up my spine, and I could see kind of like what the numbers meant, or not the numbers, like what the colors. So they came up in colors. So like my T12 or my C5, whatever them spinal cords are, some of them had like nothing. Some of them had green. Some of them had red. So naturally, my mind is like, okay, green is good, red is bad. And then she was like, yeah, green is not as bad as red. Okay, I was like, so I had a handful of red, okay, on both sides of my spine. So then we go in and she gives me a physical, and she lays me down, and she feels of my back, and immediately my goodness. Oh, that's why I was black owned. And I found them on TikTok.
Y'all can never tell me the power of social media ain't good for nothing, okay? So, such a sweet lady. Like, I freaking love her. And she had this bomb music playlist playing during, like, throughout the office. I was like, I need this playlist. Like, I need this playlist often. So, like, how do I get this playlist? And yeah, my Chick-fil-A. So let's just go ahead and get in line for my drive-through order curbside. Oh yeah, it was great. So she's feeling on my back and she's like, oh my gosh. She's like, I can immediately tell that you sit and you stare at your screen, because like my neck is so straight now because I'm looking down at a laptop. So I'm probably gonna have to invest in a standing desk and a walking pad. I don't need a walking pad, but I'm probably gonna invest in a standing desk for sure, because I need to be raised up and not like angled. What else? So she just felt from my back side. I was laying down, and then my hips are just like, girl, she said I had a military neck. She said my hips need to be like, so much needs to be adjusted. My whole right shoulder. And I was like, yo, I literally feel it, because when I get my massages, these are where the knots are. Like, this is exactly where they're like putting the most pressure. I'm so excited. I just feel like hold on one second, let me take this order.
Hi, my name.
Hi, I did a mobile order.
What's your name?
Jasmine.
Can I go to the window, please?
Okay, thank you. I'm just really excited because like the massages are cool and I'm not gonna stop getting them, but the massages are definitely like a temporary monthly solution to like a very real problem that I didn't even know was as severe as it was. So I'm very thankful that I went today. I'm so glad I'm prioritizing my health and my wellness. And I feel even better knowing that like this chiropractic office is Black owned, like husband and wife. I believe I haven't met the husband, but the wife and the owner is Black, and she's adorable, and I love her. And we just like connected. Even and I'm sitting, I can tell. Apparently, one of my left leg is shorter than my right because my hips are out of alignment. So many things. So yeah, I just want to give a quick update. So tomorrow I'm going to go back at 5, and that's my appointment is for tomorrow. We're going to go over all the results, and she's going to work on like a care plan for me, and then we'll schedule my next appointment to start getting adjusted. And I'm like, yo, I'm ready. Like, put me on your table and go get me together. So I'm really excited. And I've also asked them, like, can they give me like practical tips and tricks and techniques because I do sit so long because I'm at home working. Like, obviously the standing desk is one option, but it's really posture. So like, should I be stretching? Do I need new pillows? Like, I have a new mattress already, but do I need like certain types of things? Like, I want to really make sure I'm prioritizing this. So between fitness and food and this chiropractor experience, I'm about to be lit, and I'm really excited.
Oh, child. Hey, you guys. So it is. Let me pause this. It is very late, and by very late, like it's almost midnight. It is 11:50 basically, and I've been home maybe like for like a little hour or so from church, and I have a lot more work to do. So I'm about to get my life together, and I'm gonna give myself a hard deadline. So I just took like 15 minutes, 20 minutes to read one of my life fiction books, but I'm about to set an alarm for 1 a.m. because it's 11:50. I'm gonna give myself an hour. I'll even be nice. I'm gonna give myself 1:15, which is still absurd, but 1:15. And we're gonna do as much work that I need to get done that I didn't get done earlier today. Needs to get done in this hour. We're gonna spend some time knocking this out, and my goal is to be in bed by 1:30. Wake up at like the ass crack of dawn, really by like 6, because I still have to walk Onyx, get his stuff together. I need to like shower, figure out my hair, my makeup. Like, I don't even know what I'm wearing tomorrow. So We about to do, it's about to be a very chaotic day. Oh well, but this is the real life. Very late nights, early mornings, sometimes both.
You say you want me, I don't ignore you. You said it first, but I meant it more, girl. Oh, yeah.
Whew. Okay, you guys. Terrible angle, but we made it. That should be fun.
Everybody can kind of relate to, right? And so I'm going to sing a song that you may be familiar with. And if you are, then you can sing along. But remember, we're on our Bobcat best behavior, right? And so we're going to respectfully join in and sing if you know it. If not, just feel free to vibe with me, okay? Ooh, mountains, and I'll rise up high like the day. I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again.
Okay, just come on
lay it down.
Yep.
Okay.
Face down.
Oh wait, should I spit my gum out? I have gum.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I just didn't want to.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let's do this. Oh, I'm so excited.
I figured you wanted to like
Yes, I did.
record the process.
Let me ask her.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get a couple of my instruments. I'll be right back.
Okay.
All right. And get some of my tools in here for you. Like, what is going on?
Because I was hearing it, but I was like, oh my goodness.
Yeah, I know, right? So I use tools and I adjust with my hands. So
Okay.
it's a combination, okay? Yeah. So I'm gonna start working out those muscle groups, okay? Just relax. This is easy. This is the first time you don't have to do anything. Deep breath for me. All the way out.
Breathe out.
Breathe out.
Okay.
Breathe it all the way out. All the way out.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh my gosh.
There we go.
Oh, I can't. Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah. Hear all that popping and stuff, huh?
Oh my god.
Alright, so this is gonna, there's a drop table, so it just drops down like that.
Okay.
Moving this back in place.
Oh my god. That's insane.
There we go.
That is insane.
One side, get the other. There we go.
Oh my god.
There we go. Starting to move. Good.
Oh.
Just relax.
Okay.
Relax, relax. I got you. You don't have to push up. Just relax right where you were.
Okay.
Right where you were. Good. There we go. Come on your side facing me.
Oh. Ooh. Okay. On my side facing you.
Yeah.
I'm showing my lashes like halfway off.
Don't worry about it, girl. You can always freshen up in the bathroom.
It's time to take this off anyway.
Girl.
Okay.
Alright. So we'll get you right here.
Okay.
Good. Perfect. There we are. Other side.
That feels so good. Oh
Nice.
my god. Okay.
Alright.
And then pull my arms back up like that. Okay.
Yeah. There we go. Face up.
Wow. Okay.
This is that money shot that everybody loves. So because it's close close to your ears. It's just gonna sound louder. But
Okay.
It's the same sound as everything else.
Okay.
And just because some people, they have a lot of them, some people don't, it doesn't mean that it didn't move. It's not your bones crunching. It's just the air releasing. Okay. Here we go. Just relax. I got you. Oh!
That felt wow. Okay, nice. Oh my god.
Hey, Steph. Can I use you for a second?
Oh, I'm so excited for you to do this other side because that's where I feel all that neck.
There we go. There we go. There it goes. There we go. Good.
Wow.
Good. Oh boy. There we go. Good. There we go. Good.
Oh my god. Wow.
There we go.
That is insane.
There we go. Got it.
Yep.
Put your hands up like this. And release your fingers. Elbows down. There we go. Hands on hips.
Like that? Or is it like this?
There you go. Good. Push your elbow back towards me. Good. 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 Got it. Perfect. There you go. All set. Oh wow, that was great.
Okay, so do I need to, I feel, yo, that neck. Wow, okay. So then what do I need to do between now? Because I set on my schedule. I scheduled my appointment for next week already.
Okay, perfect,
Yeah.
perfect.
Do I need to do anything?
Right now, if you feel any soreness, just put some ice on the area, like 15 minutes on, 15 minutes off.
Okay.
Like, everybody's different. So, some people feel wildly better at the first adjustment. Some people, it takes a little bit longer for their progression. Sounds like you're already feeling everything. So, that's great.
Okay.
I'm glad to hear that. But you all set.
Wow.
Welcome to the
Thank
team.
you so much.
All right.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back home. I walked Onyx. He's like smacking down his food now. I'm about to take off this makeup and hop in the shower and go to sleep. You guys know I did not get any sleep. I didn't get much sleep last night, if any. But I wanted to kind of quickly talk about the experience. So you guys heard, I mean, you saw, like, I got adjusted. Yo, hands down, the best experience. Like, I was so scared of just like the cracking, but when I tell y'all, it felt amazing. Like, it feels so good. Oh my god, like, words can't even begin to express how good it felt to get adjusted. Like, crooks and like all the things I've had issues with, she just got it out. I love that place. I'm so glad I saw that TikTok ad. Like, God really be knowing. He knows like what you need when you need it. Because I was looking at going to another chiropractor office like closer, but ended up not doing it. And I'm really glad that like it's Black owned, it's biz family owned. Like, such a dope, it was such an incredible experience. So I'm super thankful. I'm very, very excited for that. But yeah, great experience. So I want to show, or not show, I want to talk about my care plan. So basically what we did was when I first, so yesterday I went for the initial consultation.
and we did the scans and stuff, which I didn't get a chance to record. But they took all my intake stuff, and then today I came back for my results. And needless to say, I should have probably gone to a chiropractor sooner, but I'm glad that I started going today. Like, I'm glad I made the investment. Essentially, I have some problem areas. None of the areas were surprising because of where I feel the most tension. It reflected in the scans. Yeah, shoulder, back, neck area, all those things were exactly what she found as problem areas. And then once we walked through my results, she suggested a care plan. So basically, I'll be with them for a year at minimum, maybe, you know, obviously longer, because I really like them. So as long as I'm living in this area and I can afford it, I'm going to go see them. But basically, I have a 90-day plan, immediate plan, and then the next 90 days are to get things in control, and then the remaining time between after the 90 days to the next year is all wellness and like maintaining. So I'm just gonna do a second wait because I'm about to hop in the shower after I talk to y'all. But yeah, so essentially my 90 days, she wants me to come in 3 times a week, and she's like suggested a whole, like, all the different, like, not treatments, but different like things she'll be doing each time I visit her. And then at the end of like every 12th visit, I believe, we do like results. We check results. I also will get homework. I will also have to, so even yesterday when they started the intake, you know, they said like this is a 50-50 relationship. So if you come in and you want to move forward, like, it's not all of us presenting these options to you and you're not putting anything towards. So like, you come 50, we come 50. And I really appreciated that because there's a level of accountability that they want you to have. And I feel like I'm in the right space mentally, financially, and emotionally to make that investment where it's like, no, I'm not going to flake. I'm going to show up, I'm going to do the work and get the results that I need. Because the things that, because of how much, the severity of my like issues, she basically was saying like my bones age-wise are probably older than like my actual physical age of being 30. Like, I probably have like a 40, 50-year-old bone density because my bones have been degenerating because of the diabetes, because of like poor health choices. So I was like, yo, nah. I'm about to be 60-something years old in the grocery store with a humpback because I didn't take care of this today, you know? Just how emotional it made me. And I honestly could have cried. Now, granted, I am on my period, so like, I know my emotions are high, but it's just something to be said when you are in a position financially to prioritize your wellness and your health. And what's even sadder is that for so many people, they aren't able to do this. That they don't have the additional, the income, nor do they have the means to just like drop however much money it costs for you for your plan. What I also like about them is that they're custom. So like, my plan is my plan. It's not like this run-of-the-mill, we input, output. It's like, this plan is specific to me for my results as long as I want it. So yeah, it was so great. I'm so excited. I already booked my next 2 sessions. So next week I'm going next Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. 2 evening times. I think Wednesday's like 9 in the morning. And I'm just gonna keep showing up. This also charged me. Like, I got really pumped and really excited in the meeting with her because it is so crazy to me how full circle it is. Like, when you prioritize like your fitness or your nutrition, how that impacts your bones and your spine and your organs. And like, I mean, we know that in theory, like, we talk about that, but like, it's something to be said that it's not a mistake that like I've been so focused on like my health journey, my lifestyle journey, like eating and working out, to then like prioritize like my physicality and like getting adjusted, getting aligned, meeting with a chiropractor and other doctors. So in the next coming probably weeks and months, I'm gonna meet up. I'm gonna set an appointment for my primary care doctor. We'll get a physical. I will do like my normal appointments, like my dentist, OBGYN, like all that maintenance and upkeep I'm gonna prioritize in the first 2 quarters of the year. But yeah, that's basically it. It was such a great time. I feel so good. I am a little sore, so just like she said, there might be some soreness, but I am sore. But y'all, when she got my neck, she got my like butt bone, tailbone, and it's crazy because the place that she was like adjusting are the exact spots where like my masseuse would like really have to put extra work in. So I'm like, they all know it was me. I was the problem. So yeah, it was great. I'm so excited to see her next week. I'm even more pumped to like get right back into the swing of things with working out, with fitness, with lifestyle, with diet and all that. Just so you guys know, I don't know if you all celebrate Lent, but like Lent is coming up. So Lent is obviously like, not obviously, but Lent is like that time period between right after Fat Tuesday all the way to Easter, like 40 days of fasting. And I normally do this by myself. Like my mom does it with her church back home, but because my church doesn't do Lent corporately, I personally do it. So I'm gonna my fasting will start next week. So I'm gonna spend the weekend to like get all my groceries in order, really reset. I'm not tracking my fasting as a means to like my nutrition as far as like health and wellness, because obviously there's a spiritual component to it, but I will be fasting, so that's gonna just kind of even kickstart even further getting back into the swing of things and back into my routine. So it was great. I'm exhausted. How I'm still functioning right now is a miracle, because I was falling asleep in a meeting that Rachel had, and I was sitting in and I was in the back like this. But yeah, anywho, I'm gonna take a shower. I'm going to bed. Treat me like a lady, even over her coat. Treat her like a lady. Treat her like. I should have been born in a different decade, because when I tell you I'm an old soul at like the core of me, like I be jamming, like I jam to the older songs. I have to figure out a mount for this camera. Ooh, that is close. Okay, hold on. I think I got some. Okay. Anyway, good morning. We already said that, but good morning again. Okay, so here is the rundown for today, as far as like what we got going on. We need to go, first things first, we're going to get some Starbucks. Gotta get my chai latte. I'm on a Starbucks fix right now, so I want to get Starbucks. A part of me, excuse me, a part of me wants Chick-fil-A breakfast, so maybe I should just get Chick-fil-A now and then get Starbucks later, because I'm going to be out for a few hours, right? But also a part of me doesn't feel like I started my day, like my like errand girl day, without Starbucks. So I'm a little torn. I'm not sure if I should do Starbucks or Chick-fil-A. What y'all think? Starbucks or Chick-fil-A? When I went to Best Buy last night, I was trying to look at a lens, and the guy, why isn't that? Okay, there we go. And he suggested a different place to kind of test the lens on my camera, so I'm gonna go there. Then we gotta go to Alter State so I can get the stuff for the campaign. I want to shoot that probably today or tomorrow, and then post it on Monday. That's the deadline for Monday. After that, I don't want to like, I'm in the mood to shop, but I'm trying to think of like future self, like future Jasmine doesn't need present Jasmine to make terrible decisions today, right? So I do want to go to Ulta and maybe Sephora. I kind of want to see what's new for spring. I'm not trying to do a lot of makeup buying, because one, I need to go through the actual finish the products I actually already own. Excuse me. And then two, I just feel like I've been like, I don't know if you guys have seen this, if you are like into beauty and content creation stuff on TikTok, but there's been a lot of like trendy conversations around de-influencing, and basically for part of that I do agree with. I feel like I've been over consuming, and I'm, as a content creator, I was trying to buy the newest and latest thing to like be on trend for you guys, and reality is like I might buy something and use it once or twice and then never go back to it, and that's a waste of my money. So you know, I was trying to do this thing back on my channel a few months ago, maybe even last year, where I was like, you pick a palette and I use that palette for a full month, and all I do is create looks with this palette. I'm probably going to go back to that, so y'all might see more of those. A part of me feels like I've been over consuming products and information and content, and so I just kind of want to like declutter that, declutter my mind, declutter my stash of products and everything, and just really use the things that I like. obviously I'm gonna buy more stuff and try new things, but like I don't need to hop on every trend. I don't need to do every new makeup palette or makeup whatever. So yeah, I'm excited. We're getting our life back in order. Don't you guys love that for me? I need that. Like, it really shows when my life is in chaotic form and when I don't have a routine set or any type of anything. I am a train wreck. Like, I'm an actual train wreck. And so thank you, Lord, for this long weekend. Thank you for the opportunity to rest and rejuvenate and refresh my mind, my body, my soul. Thank you, Lord. You are good. And rest is a form of worship. Rest is a right. And thank you that you will honor my rest because I'm honoring you with my time and my rest. In Jesus' name, amen. Oh, okay, my man's is coming. I hope he don't, he might not, I hope he don't see my camera, but he's such a sweet old man. Is this the old man? Yes, it is. It's the old man.
Number 2, how
Yes,
are you?
I'm good. How are you? Which one is mine?
2 drinks.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got a 3 drink? 2?
A sweet tea, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And
Oh, wait, no, not this one. That looks like it might be too dark. I don't know. Oh, I guess so.
Sweet tea?
Yeah, sweet tea, light ice.
Okay, this 1 or 2?
Just one.
Okay.
Yeah, just one.
Okay.
Thank you. It's good to see you.
You too, alright.
Who was talking like that? I'd be mad crazy. Freaking Saturday. Anyway, that sweet old man, I love him. He is just such a sweet man, you know? Right. Yeah.
Here's the publishing. I signed it up.
It's not, I want to jam. You know what I mean? Like, I'm trying to jam. I guess you wonder where I've been. Okay, let me drop y'all. See y'all at the camera shop. Alright, let's go in here. See what these people are talking about. And we'll be back.
Okay. And your email?
Alright, we'll do one right now.
Shopping.
And
zip code.
22030.
I can tell you how I feel about you night and day. I can tell you how I feel about you night and day. It's like I can tell you how I feel about you night and day.
Alright, y'all. It's nice and quiet. Like, this place is really empty right now. Well, it's not even new yet, so that's probably why. But anyway, heading to Archer State. I kind of want to look at H&M. I think that's it.
Alright, y'all. Hold on. Ultra State was a success. I got some stuff from H&M, so we'll do all H&M. I want to do like a spring try-on haul, like lookbook, so you'll see that in a different video. But we're heading to Trader Joe's so I can get the flowers and some like frozen meals. And then we're heading home. Okay, so y'all can see all the damage I did. Whew, we went shopping. Okay.
Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today
Okay, so all right, y'all. We're back home. Oh my God, look at this lighting. Oh, it's so good. It makes me so happy. So I'm back home. I'm about to do my flower arrangements. I can show you guys what I got from Trader Joe's. And then I'm gonna wrap up because I need to start editing this vlog and I need to spend some time like getting everything settled. But like I said, I'm going to film a spring like lookbook with some of the H&M stuff and the Ultra Stay stuff. And I'll show you guys probably in a different video testing new makeup products like what I got from Ulta. So anywho, yeah, let me get the flower arrangement set up. I'll show you guys that. I'll show you guys what I got from Trader Joe's and then we will wrap up this video. Our little pumpkin mans. Hi, Bubba. Say hi to the people. So as you can see, the lighting is giving. The lighting is giving. Look at how great that lighting is, y'all. It makes me so happy. Honestly, this will be like the perfect time to film. 3 o'clock, perfect time to film. So maybe I'll do some makeup videos. I don't know. I'm in the mood to kind of film once I get everything settled. But let's go ahead and let me use the bathroom first. And then I'll show you guys what I got from Trader Joe's. Okay, I don't know if y'all can tell the camera setting difference. Hold on. My my stuff is everywhere. Give me a second. Oh, I love this. Okay. 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 So let's just go ahead and get do this Trader Joe's haul. Girl, that stuff every freaking where. Oh, it makes me so happy. It looks so good. Oh my God, this lens is freaking incredible. Oh my gosh, I hope y'all can tell, like, it's so good. Oh my God, thank you, Lord. Okay, I'm getting distracted. So let's go ahead and set up these flowers. And then I'm gonna get myself in order. I got a lot going on over here. So let's talk quickly about this lens. Oh my freaking gosh. I'm so impressed. So essentially, child, I'm so hyped. Let's just get into this. Oh my God, this is freaking incredible. So the lens that I got, I'll make sure I link the details below. I can't remember off the top of my head, but basically I wanted a lens that would, hold on, this is a little crooked. Yo, the quality of this lens, A freaking 1, bro. Wow. Okay, so basically I wanted a lens that would give me enough like width. So with the lens that with the body kit lens, I think that's what it's called. You know, sometimes I feel like I'm super close into the frame, but I really wanted enough like space to just not make me feel so wide, like I take up so much space in the frame versus just like how much space I have like within this body of the lens. So I forget the name of this lens, but I'll try to remember and I'll link it and put all the information down below. But it was about $700. Also have a filter to like protect the lens, but she said it's like one of the best camera. It's like this is the brightest my lens can go, or how much this is the like kind of lens takes in the most light. So it just looks so good. Oh my goodness. So I wanted to like test it out and do the haul with this. So yeah, it looks great. Like I have look how much space. I would have had this much space on my other lens, but I don't know, this feels better, you know what I mean? So anywho, let's get into this haul. I'm gonna raise you guys up a little bit. Okay. Okay, so let's put the food away first. I got face moisturizer from Trader Joe's. Why, I don't know, but I got face moisturizer. I got shrimp fried rice. I got chicken fried rice. I got something in this fridge stinks. The freezer, especially that's got kale. I got egg rolls. Port spring egg rolls. And I got a little more of the Indian food. I got 2 of the chicken tikka masala lunches. And then I got, okay, so one of them is already in the thing. I got the dried mango again. They didn't have the dried oranges, so I got dried pineapple, and honestly, it's like mid. And I got sparkling pineapple juice, so that's good. Okay, that's everything for that bag. Okay, in this bag, while I was in, excuse me, while I was in Trader Joe's, I met a woman who was a florist, and so she and I were talking, and she just gave me some like really helpful tips on how to keep like hydrangeas alive and my roses. So I'm gonna do hydrangeas in one of my smaller vases, probably the one I have my roses in, and then I'll do the 2 dozen roses in the big vase. I don't know, maybe I'll do all of them in one. I don't know, I'm not sure yet. I got 3 of these. If you know, you know. I got 3 of the blood orange Italian sodas. I'm ready to go in. I'm ready to go in. Last thing I got was I got sparkling strawberry. So that's everything we got from Trader Joe's. All right, okay, so let's go ahead and
thinking I can make as many songs. Got a lady when I haven't met her, but she on me heavy on my cerebellum. If I say I love her, am I wrong? Am I crazy? Am I overzealous? But I know the feeling, and I'm never wrong. Swear that I've been gifted with a song, and I'm really, it's intoxicating. It weigh on your head like the alcohol. We can do like anything you want. I'm amazing, letter to my lady. I just wanna pleasure. Check my catalog. In this life I come across fans and hoes, and I like to give my fans a rose. Curse of the talented, everywhere I go they wanna change clothes and pose. But my wife be in my dreams, bruh, no I couldn't see her. I saw a silhouette, I know I can make her wait. But when I wake up, I just break out the phone. Thinking I can make as many songs. Got a lady when I haven't met her, but she on me heavy on my cerebellum. If I say I love her, am I wrong? Am I crazy? Am I overzealous? But I know the feeling, and I'm never wrong. Swear that I've been gifted with a song, and I'm really, it's intoxicating. It weigh on your head like the alcohol. We can do like anything you want. Letter to my lady, I just wanna pleasure. Check my catalog. Thinking I can make this many songs about a lady, she be at me up, down. I be in my feelings, sometimes I be jealous, but I keep it thugging like it's not so bad.
ooh, bright. So bright. Okay. Alright you guys, I'm basically wrapping up this video here. It's 4 o'clock and I have some stuff to do before I head out. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, this week's vlog. You want to say hi? Okay, come on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. Oh, you got something to say? Anyway, yeah, so look forward to more spring lookbooks and makeup and all the good things. As always, I love having you guys here with me. So make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the lens. Can you tell the difference? And just overall the video. Let me know your thoughts about this week's video. So until next time, friends, be well, do well, and be safe. I love you guys so much. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.